Manoj Sagar, guest lecturer of Government Polytechnic Puranpur. Welcome to my channel. Today my topic is equations of motion. Basically there are three equations of motion. This is called first equation of motion, second equation of motion and third equation of motion. The first motion the first equation of motion written as B is equal to U plus AT. Second equation is S is equal to UT plus half AT square, and third equation of motion is B square is equal to U square plus 2AS. There are three equations of motion. So I am derive all three equations of motion one by one. Let's see on the board. First equation of motion. This is the first equation of motion where U is equal to initial velocity, B is final velocity, A is acceleration, T is time. All variables shown in figure, shown on the board. So finally I derive first equation of motion. Suppose a body move initial velocity U and uniform acceleration small a. A body move initial velocity U. A body move with initial velocity U and uniform acceleration A, and final velocity of this body is B. I repeat again. Suppose that a body move with the initial velocity U, which have a uniformly acceleration small a, and finally he travel with final velocity B. So we know that the formula of acceleration is is equal to change in velocity upon time taken. The acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time taken. This is the formula of acceleration. The acceleration is denoted by small a. Change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity. This is called change in velocity, and time taken is t. After calculation, the t is divided term. So after multiply, t is here. After solving, u is minus When you put here, this is plus, so B is equal to U plus AT. This is the first equation of motion. We suppose equation number 1. We find out the second equation of motion with the help of first equation of motion. So let's see on the board. We find the average formula, average velocity is equal to final velocity plus initial velocity upon 2. Similarly, we know the average formula of average, initial plus final upon 2. Average velocity is B initial velocity B average, final velocity B plus U upon 2. After that, we know the velocity is equal to average velocity is equal to distance traveled upon time taken. This is travel. The other formula of average velocity is distance traveled upon time taken. This is simple formula of velocity. Velocity is equal to distance upon time. So putting the value of average velocity, B is equal to U upon B plus U upon 2. This is the average velocity formula. Distance travel is denoted by S and time taken is T. After calculation, is equal to S. Similarly, we written as S is equal to putting the value of B in this equation. So from equation first, we know that B is equal to U plus AT. So putting this value in here, B is equal to U plus AT. U plus AT. U plus AT. U plus U is equal to 2U. 2U upon 2. AT multiplying by T. 2UT plus AT square upon 2. After solving this, 2U upon 2, AT upon 2, 2 is cancelled out. So after that, U T plus half AT square This is the formula of second equation of motion. This is called second equation of. After that, we derive the third equation of motion. For third equation of motion, we help second equation of motion. For the third equation of motion, we need second equation of motion and the first equation of motion. In other words, we can say we derive third equation of motion with the help of second equation of motion and the first equation of motion. This is the first equation of motion. We calculate the value of t, side change of u, after side changing u is minus entity and after side changing a is divide entity. So the value of t is equal to b minus u upon a. After that, putting the value of t in equation second. After putting the value of t in equation second, we find out the third equation of motion. So please see on the board. S is equal to ut plus half at square. T is equal to b minus u upon a. T is equal to b minus u upon a whole square, because there are t square and the value of t is equal to b minus u upon a. So this is whole square. After solving, ub minus u square upon a. This is b minus u whole square. So we open this bracket with the help of a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly, if there are minus, then this is minus. So b square plus u square minus 2ub upon a square. This a and this square is cancelled because there are a square and there are only a. After that, ub minus u square upon a plus b square plus u square minus 2ub upon 2a. This term denominator is a and this term denominator is 2a. There are different denominator, so we need LCM. We take LCM. LCM is 2a. LCM is 2a. Then 2 plus b square plus u square minus 2ub. After calculation, 2u minus 2u square plus b square plus u square minus 2ub upon 2a. This is plus 2ub, this is minus 2ub. Please see on the board, this is plus 2ub, this is minus 2ub. This is cancel out. This is minus 2u square, this is plus u square. After subtracting plus 2u square in minus 2u square, remain u square. So remain is minus u square plus b square upon 2a. After cross multiplying, as minus 2a is equal to minus u plus, change the side of u to as. After multiplying, this entity is 2as, and after changing the side of minus u is plus u square. This term is written as b square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is the third equation of motion. This is the third equation of motion. This is the, see on the board, this is the third equation of motion. Dear students, please subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you.